Phrasal verbs are very important in English. Today we learn about come on. This phrasal verb has two main uses. First, it means hurry up. Second, it means to encourage someone. These are the two most common meanings for beginners. Come on number 1, hurry up. This means move faster, do not be slow. For example, when someone takes too much time. Come on number 2, encourage. This means motivate someone to try harder. You say this when someone needs confidence. Here are real examples. Come on, we do not have much time. This shows hurry up. Oh, come on, you know that is not true. This shows surprise or disbelief. I can feel a cold coming on. This means something starts to happen. The news comes on at 6 p.m. This means a show starts. Instead of come on for hurry up, you can say hurry up, let's go, move it, or faster. For encouragement, say you can do it, keep going, try harder, or do not give up. Practice these alternatives to sound more natural. Real situations for hurry up. Come on, we are late for the movie. Come on, the bus is leaving now. For encouragement. Come on, you can solve this puzzle. Come on, one more try, you got this. Notice how tone changes the meaning. Practice time. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 blank, we are going to miss the train. Answer is come on. Number 2 blank, you can jump higher than that. Number 3 blank, I know you did not mean it. Also, I feel a cold blank. Answer is coming on. Remember, come on means hurry up like come on, we are late. Or encourage like come on, you can do it. Practice these in real conversations every day. This makes your English sound natural and confident.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.